Listen, I planted 3 of these around my patio last spring, and something wild happened. We went from swatting every 5 seconds to actually enjoying our evenings outside. No citronella candles, no chemical sprays burning our lungs. Just peace. And here's the kicker. My neighbor thought I was using some secret pest control service. Today, I'm revealing the 10 plants that'll turn your yard into a mosquito-free sanctuary. And number 7 is probably growing wild in your area right now, completely free. Hey there, friend. Welcome back to Earthly Gardening, where we grow smarter, not harder. If you're new here, stick around because we're all about garden solutions that actually fit your budget and your life. No fancy equipment, no endless spending, just real results you can see within weeks. Before we dig in, do me a quick favor? Smash that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss our budget-friendly garden hacks. Seriously, it helps us keep bringing you this content, and trust me, you'll want to catch every single plant on this list. Alright, let's get real for a second. Mosquitoes aren't just annoying. They're relationship ruiners, cookout killers, and peaceful evening destroyers. You invest time and money into creating your dream outdoor space, only to have these tiny vampires claim it as their territory. But what if I told you nature's already created the perfect defense system, and it's sitting at your local nursery right now, probably on sale? Plant 1, Horsemint. First up is Horsemint, and I'm betting most of you have never heard of this absolute powerhouse. This native North American wildflower grows like it's got something to prove: fast, hardy, and completely unbothered by poor soil. Here's what makes it special. Horsemint contains thymol, the same compound found in commercial insect repellents. Mosquitoes catch a whiff of this stuff and immediately change their flight path. The beauty of Horsemint? It's drought-tolerant, which means you're not babysitting it with constant watering. Plant it in full sun, give it decent drainage, and watch it thrive. It spreads through underground runners, so within 1 season, you've got natural mosquito barriers forming across your yard. Plus, those purple and white blooms? Gorgeous. They attract bees and butterflies while repelling the bugs you actually hate. Pro tip: crush a few leaves between your fingers before heading out for the evening. Rub it on your ankles and wrists. Instant, free repellent. Your wallet will thank you, and so will your skin. Plant 2, Catnip. Number 2 might surprise you. Yes, the same plant that turns your cat into a euphoric acrobat is actually a mosquito's worst nightmare. Research from Iowa State University found that nepentolactone, the oil in catnip, is 10 times more effective at repelling mosquitoes than DEET. 10 times. Let that sink in. Now, before you worry about neighborhood cats throwing parties in your garden, let me ease your mind. While cats love the dried, crushed leaves, the growing plant doesn't attract them nearly as much. You can plant catnip along pathways, near seating areas, or in containers on your deck. It grows about 2 to 3 feet tall with beautiful lavender flowers that bloom all summer. Here's my favorite hack. Grow it near your grill or outdoor dining table. Every time you brush past it, those oils release into the air, creating an invisible shield around your space. And if you do have cats, harvest some leaves, dry them, and boom, free cat toys. Double win. The growing requirements are laughable and easy. Average soil, some sun, occasional water. That's it. This plant basically raises itself while protecting your entire family from bites. Plant 3, Marigolds. Marigolds at number 3, and here's why they're not just your grandma's bedding plant anymore. These bright, cheerful flowers contain pyrethrum, a compound used in many commercial insect repellents. Mosquitoes absolutely hate the scent, but humans? We just smell sunshine and summer. Plant marigolds in pots near entryways, windows, and doors. They create a natural barrier that mosquitoes won't cross. I line my entire patio with them, and the difference is night and day. The bonus? Marigolds also repel aphids, whiteflies, and even some beetles, making them garden guardians in every sense. Choose French or Mexican varieties for maximum scent potency. Water them regularly, deadhead spent blooms to encourage more flowers, and you've got months of protection that costs maybe $20 total. They thrive in full sun and actually bloom more vigorously when the weather heats up, exactly when mosquito season peaks. Quick pause if you're finding this helpful. Drop a comment below telling me which plant you're most excited to try. And hey, if this video's saving your summer, hit that like button. It genuinely helps other people discover these solutions. Plus, I read every single comment and often answer questions, so don't be shy. Alright, back to our mosquito-fighting arsenal. Plant 4, lemon balm. Lemon balm takes spot number 4, and this herb is criminally underrated. It's part of the mint family, which means it grows with that same enthusiastic energy. The leaves smell like lemon candy, but mosquitoes interpret that scent as a threat. They avoid it completely. Plant lemon balm in containers to control its spread, because trust me, it'll take over given the chance. Place those containers strategically around your outdoor living areas. When you're sitting outside, grab a leaf, crush it gently, and rub it on exposed skin. Natural repellent that smells amazing and costs you nothing after the initial plant purchase. Here's the genius part. Lemon balm attracts beneficial insects like bees and butterflies while repelling mosquitoes. It's like having a bouncer at your garden party who only lets the good guests in. Plus, you can harvest leaves for tea, cooking, or homemade bug spray. One plant, multiple uses, maximum value. It tolerates partial shade, so even those tricky spots in your yard can become mosquito-free zones. Water it when the soil feels dry, give it a trim when it gets leggy, and enjoy months of protection. Plant 5, basil. Basil lands at number 5, and before you say, obviously, hear me out. Most people don't realize that certain basil varieties are significantly more effective than others. Lemon basil, lime basil, and cinnamon basil produce oils that mosquitoes find particularly offensive. Their scent is stronger, sharper, and way more effective than your standard sweet basil. Plant basil in pots near your outdoor kitchen or dining table. Every time you cook, you're releasing those protective oils into the air. Plus, you're growing free ingredients for your meals. I keep 4 basil plants on my deck, 2 lemon, 2 cinnamon, and we genuinely don't see mosquitoes in that zone anymore. Basil needs warmth and sun to thrive, but it's otherwise low maintenance. Pinch off flowers to keep the plant producing leaves, water when the top inch of soil dries out, and harvest regularly. The more you use it, the bushier it grows, and the more protection you get. Here's a money-saving trick. Buy 1 plant from the nursery, then propagate it. Snip 4-inch cuttings, put them in water until roots form, then plant them. One $10 basil plant becomes 4 free mosquito guards in about 3 weeks. Plant 6, lavender. Lavender claims spot number 6, and this Mediterranean beauty is working overtime in your yard. The same oils that make lavender smell heavenly to us, linalool and camphor, are absolutely revolting to mosquitoes. They won't even fly through areas where lavender is blooming. Plant lavender in full sun with excellent drainage. It's drought-tolerant once established, which means minimal watering and maximum impact. I've got a lavender border along my entire backyard fence, and it creates this invisible barrier that mosquitoes just won't cross. Plus, the purple blooms are stunning from June through August. Harvest stems when flowers are in full bloom. Dry them and place bundles near doorways or windows. Natural mosquito repellent that doubles as home decor. You can also make sachets for drawers, add them to outdoor fire pits for scented smoke that repels insects, or steep them in oil for DIY bug spray. Lavender thrives on neglect. Seriously, the less you fuss with it, the better it performs. Just give it sun, good drainage, and an annual pruning. It'll reward you with years of protection and beauty. Plant 7, wild bergamot. Number 7 is wild bergamot, also called bee balm, and here's why this one's special. It's probably already growing in your region, which means free plants if you know where to look. This native perennial produces compounds similar to citronella but way more effective. Mosquitoes detect it from several feet away and actively avoid it. Wild bergamot grows 3 to 4 feet tall with shaggy pink, purple, or red flowers that bloom all summer. It attracts hummingbirds and butterflies like crazy while keeping mosquitoes at bay. Plant it in groupings for maximum impact. 3 or 5 plants together create a serious deterrent zone. The best part? It's native to North America, so it's perfectly adapted to our climate extremes. Drought? No problem. Summer heat? Bring it on. Poor soil? It'll grow anyway. This is the definition of a plant it and forget it solution. Divide established clumps every 3 years to create more plants. One wild bergamot from the nursery becomes a dozen free plants over time. Strategic placement around your yard means comprehensive mosquito control without ongoing costs. Plant 8. Rosemary. Rosemary takes number 8, and if you're already growing it for cooking, you're ahead of the game. This woody herb releases oils that confuse mosquitoes' sensory systems. They literally can't locate you when rosemary's scent is in the air. It's like you're invisible to them. Grow rosemary in pots so you can move it around based on where you're spending time. Grilling tonight? Put rosemary near the grill. Dining on the patio? Surround your table with it. The flexibility is unmatched. Here's a trick I learned from a friend in Italy. Throw fresh rosemary sprigs directly on hot coals or into your fire pit. The smoke carries those mosquito-repelling oils throughout your entire outdoor space. Everyone downwind is protected, and your yard smells like a Tuscan garden. Rosemary needs full sun and well-drained soil. In colder climates, treat it as an annual or bring pots indoors for winter. In warmer zones, it'll grow into a substantial shrub that provides year-round protection. Prune it regularly for cooking, which also promotes bushier growth and more oil production. Plant 9. Pennyroyal. Pennyroyal at number 9 is the nuclear option. This low-growing mint relative contains pulgone, one of the most potent natural mosquito repellents known. Even scientific studies confirm its effectiveness rivals synthetic chemicals. Mosquitoes won't go near it. Important note, pennyroyal is toxic if ingested in large amounts, so keep it away from pets and kids who might nibble on plants, but as an outdoor border or ground cover in adult spaces. Unbeatable. Plant pennyroyal along walkways, around patios, or as filler between stepping stones. Every time someone walks on it, those oils release and create a protective cloud. It stays low, only about 6 inches tall, so it won't block views or take over your garden design. It spreads quickly through runners, which is perfect for filling in large areas inexpensively. Buy 3 plants, and within 1 season you'll have coverage across 10 or 15 feet. Water it regularly and give it partial shade in hot climates. The mosquito-repelling effect is immediate and powerful. This is your secret weapon for problem areas where nothing else seems to work. Plant 10 alliums. Finally, number 10 alliums. We're talking garlic, onions, chives, and their ornamental cousins. These plants contain sulfur compounds that mosquitoes find absolutely unbearable. The smell that makes us hungry for Italian food makes mosquitoes flee in the opposite direction. Ornamental alliums are your best bet for decorative mosquito control. They produce these stunning purple, white, or pink spherical flowers on tall stems. Plant them in groups throughout your garden beds, and you've got both beauty and function. They bloom in late spring and early summer, right when mosquito populations start exploding. For edible options, plant garlic and onions around your vegetable garden. They protect your crops while protecting you. Chives work beautifully as border plants. They're evergreen in many climates, meaning year-round protection in milder areas. Alliums need full sun and decent drainage. Plant bulbs in fall for spring blooms. They multiply over time, so your initial investment keeps paying dividends year after year. Divide clumps every few years to spread them around your property. Bonus tips. Now, here's how to maximize your results. First, layer these plants. Don't just put one type in one spot. Combine them strategically with marigolds and basil near the patio, lavender and rosemary along pathways, horsemint and wild bergamot in garden beds. Overlapping scents create zones where mosquitoes simply won't venture. Second, plant in clusters rather than single specimens. 3 basil plants together release more protective oils than 1 plant spread thin. Group plantings amplify effectiveness while creating better visual impact. Third, position plants upwind of where you spend time. If prevailing breezes blow from west to east, put your mosquito-repelling plants on the western side of your patio. The wind carries those protective oils right to where you're sitting. Fourth, crush leaves occasionally to release fresh oils. Before guests arrive, take 30 seconds to walk around bruising leaves. It refreshes the protective barrier and ensures maximum effectiveness. Finally, remember that mosquitoes breed in standing water. These plants repel adult mosquitoes brilliantly, but eliminate breeding sites for complete control. Empty saucers under pots, clean gutters, and flip over anything that collects rainwater. There you have it, 10 powerful plants that'll reclaim your yard from mosquito tyranny without draining your bank account. Most of these cost less than $10 per plant and last for years. That's pennies compared to what you'd spend on repellents, candles, and sprays that barely work. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss future garden solutions. Drop a comment telling me which plant you're planting first, or share your own mosquito fighting success stories. I love hearing from you. Next week, we're talking about free fertilizers you can make from kitchen scraps. You won't want to miss it. Until then, get planting and enjoy your mosquito-free paradise. Happy gardening, friends!